How to Design a PowerPoint by Philip Murray. I hope you enjoy this slideshow. To create a PowerPoint, firstly you need to make sure that you get all materials, things, and keep it to a minimum, as simple as we can. Make all slides, presentations so that people understand and remain interested in your presentation. You gather the materials, like I said, write it down, keep it organized so that you know exactly what you're going to be saying before you say it. As you carry on, you make sure that you get your audience attention by giving a attention grabber something. I selected something that I hope will gain your attention. It's a poster, the perfect poster for someone looking to get their mind off what they're thinking. Think so? Let's see what happens. Make the presentation so that you grab their attention and keep their attention as you continue to explain what you're doing. You carry on, keep on doing that, keep on doing what needs to be done. As you come to the end of your presentation, you go over what you have said, repeat it again, and be sure to be keeping their attention. You carry on to make sure that you have completed all what you have said, repeat it again, and the audience should be interested. And I think at the end, you go over what you have presented and said in the first part, and you carry on to complete on how to design the PowerPoint. Okay?